Hello everybody and welcome to another Lounge Guys video. So today we are going to be learning how to green screen in DaVinci Resolve 18 and up. So if you like this video, give it a like and make sure to subscribe if you bother. Okay, so let's begin by going to our media pool, dragging our green screen in. Then I'm just going to fit it to screen just so it looks better for me. I don't know, you could do whatever you want. Then I'm also just going to close the media pool right here just so it looks a little better. So once we got our clip here, we're going to go to the effects tab. We go to open effects and then we scroll down until we find resolve FX key, and then right under that there's 3D keyer. Make sure to drag that onto your clip that you're going to be keying out. So to see all of these effects happening in real time, make sure to click this little arrow, open effects overlay, and then make sure that this right here is selected, so it's white, so it's on. So now you'll be seeing all the green screen effects in real time. Also, I'm just going to close this effects tab just so it looks a little better, you know? So the next step from here is to click this pin drop with a plus onto it, and then we just draw like a little line somewhere here around the green. And as you can see, it got rid of most of the obvious green around, but you could still see like a lot of this like green everywhere. So what we're gonna do to get rid of that is just take this despill slider and move it all the way up. Now it looks really good, but you may think it looks really good, but if, for example, I add a background like something like this to it, then you can see these little black edges around his face and everything. So to get rid of that stuff, we go back to the right hand side over here, effects, and then matte finesse. Then from here, you're gonna edit with some of these settings, and some of the most important ones are like pre-filter. That gets rid of some of the black around it, not that much. And then there's also black clip, which helps a lot. But as you can see, now the edges look a little rough, but there's no black. So what you do then is add just a tiny bit of clean white. There you go. And as we can see, there's no longer a black outline around him. And that's just one step to green screening. But like to make it actually look good, like he's in this scene, like in this video, like we would have to color grade it. So let's just do the complete basic of color grading. Yeah, you're getting a bonus section in the video. Be happy. So what we're gonna do is just tweak some of these sliders. My favorite is personally the grain. Like just edit with this until you think it matches the actual light that was in the scene recorded in the background. So I'm gonna say somewhere around here. There you go. Just a little bit darker than the normal video file that I was already with it. And as you can see, it just looks so good. Like there's nothing here, nothing around it, no green at all. And that is your tutorial on how to green screen in DaVinci Resolve, the complete basic of it. So if you enjoyed, like the video if you'd be so kind, and also subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.